Have you ever wondered if doing 100 squats every day can actually transform your body? Let's break down the real science-backed benefits and see if this daily squat challenge is worth the hype. Today, we're diving into a popular fitness trend, doing 100 squats every single day. Many people swear by it, claiming it strengthens their legs, tones their glutes, and even boosts their energy. But is there real science behind it? More than explaining what happens to your body if you do squats every day, let's explore the 15 incredible benefits of incorporating 100 daily squats into your routine, backed by research, and see how committing to daily squats could change your body and maybe even your mindset. So stay tuned until the end, because we'll have a step-by-step tutorial on how to perform squats with perfect form. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at which muscles are most engaged during a squat. The squat is extremely effective for targeting several key muscle groups, making it a fundamental exercise for building strength and stability. The quadriceps, located at the front of your thighs, play a big role, helping to extend your knees as you rise from the squat. The hamstrings, located at the back of your thighs, are also engaged as they assist in controlling your descent and provide balance. The glutes, or your hip muscles, powerfully extend the hips and drive the upward movement of the squat. Your core muscles, including the abs and lower back, work to stabilize your torso and keep you balanced throughout the movement. Additionally, muscles in your lower legs, such as the calves, help to maintain stability and control at the bottom of the squat. With each squat, you engage all of these muscles, improving coordination and functional strength, which benefits both athletic performance and daily activities. By practicing squats every day, you'll increase muscle strength, endurance, and overall mobility. Now you might be wondering, isn't 100 squats every day a bit much? And what about those fitness myths? Some people think squats alone won't make a difference unless weights are involved. Others worry about joint stress or think it's just too intense to maintain. We'll tackle these misconceptions head-on and discuss the real impact of this challenge. Is it sustainable? Could daily squats really lead to serious physical benefits, or is it just a fitness fad? The first benefit is stronger legs and glutes. As we mentioned before, squats daily targets mainly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Studies, like the one published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, show that consistent squatting increases muscle activation. This activation is essential for both power and endurance. And remember, you don't always need weights to see gains. Body weight can be enough, especially with high volume. Improved core strength is the second benefit. Did you know that squats engage more than just your legs? They activate your core, promoting stability and strength in your abs and lower back. According to research from the American Council on Exercise, core engagement during squats improves balance. It can even protect your spine, adding long-term benefits. So you're not just working your legs, you're building a stronger foundation. Enhanced joint health is our third benefit. One of the big concerns with daily squats is joint health. But studies, including those from the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy, show that bodyweight squats can improve joint mobility. Over time, particularly in the knees and hips, they promote a full range of motion. Daily movement helps keep your joints lubricated and flexible. Next up, the fourth benefit is boosted calorie burn. Want to burn more calories? Squats might be more effective than you think. A high-repetition workout like 100 squats elevates your heart rate. It also boosts your metabolism. According to Harvard Health Publishing, bodyweight squats can burn around 15 calories per minute for an average adult. This helps with weight management and overall energy expenditure. Increased bone density is the fifth benefit. Load-bearing exercises, even without weights, have been shown to improve bone density. The Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that resistance movements, like squats, stimulate bone growth. This makes it beneficial for long-term bone health, especially as we age. Friends, if you're enjoying and seeing value in this video so far, and if you love receiving content about health, fitness, sports, and well-being, take a moment now to subscribe to our channel. Our sixth benefit is better posture and alignment. Sitting all day can wreak havoc on your posture. Daily squats help counteract this. By strengthening the back and core, squats encourage a more upright posture. Studies from the European Journal of Applied Physiology indicate that squats can improve posture. They can reduce lower back pain and balance out muscle imbalances. Our seventh benefit is enhanced flexibility and mobility. Squats demand flexibility in the hips and knees. Practicing them daily can improve your overall mobility. A study in sports medicine showed that dynamic movements like squats improve flexibility in hip flexors. They also increase lower body mobility. The eighth benefit is reduced lower body fat. If you're looking to tone up, squats could be a key component. High-rep squats can promote fat loss by boosting your metabolic rate. According to the Journal of Applied Physiology, regularly working the largest muscle groups burns calories. This can help reduce fat in the lower body. Improved mental toughness is our ninth benefit. Consistency in daily workouts builds mental resilience. Psychology Today highlights that pushing through physically challenging routines strengthens mental fortitude. Completing the 100 squat challenge each day creates discipline and determination. These traits can be applied beyond the gym. Our 10th benefit is boosted circulation. Engaging large muscle groups like the legs promotes circulation. According to the Journal of Cardiology, activities like squats enhance blood flow. This is beneficial for heart health and muscle recovery. The 11th benefit is increased muscular endurance. Performing squats every day builds muscular endurance, allowing your muscles to withstand more work over longer periods. This benefit is especially valuable for endurance activities like running or cycling. The 12th benefit is improved capillary density in the muscles. High-repetition exercises like 100 daily squats increase capillary density in muscle tissue. This enhances blood flow and oxygen delivery, which is essential for muscle health and recovery, as shown by the European Journal of Applied Physiology. The 13th benefit is a boost in energy and vitality. Daily squats elevate energy levels by stimulating the cardiovascular system and promoting the release of endorphins, providing a natural boost in mood and daily energy. The 14th benefit is improved digestive health. Compound movements like squats also stimulate the core muscles and abdominal mobility, which can support digestive efficiency and overall gut health. And the 15th benefit is increased density of both slow and fast twitch muscle fibers. High-volume squats can stimulate adaptations in both slow twitch for endurance and fast twitch for power muscle fibers. According to the Journal of Applied Physiology, high-repetition exercises promote mixed fiber adaptation, which enhances both strength and endurance capacity in the muscles. And now, a bonus for you. What's the ultimate benefit of doing 100 daily squats? The true power of squats lies in their functional strength. They build a balanced body that performs well in everyday tasks, from lifting groceries to climbing stairs. Functional fitness is key, and squats are the perfect example. When you build lower body strength, you're not just enhancing your looks. You're setting yourself up for a more active, capable life. Imagine feeling stronger and more agile in every move you make. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's look at how to perform a squat with proper form to maximize results and avoid injuries. When performing any physical exercise, it's very important to observe the correct technique. With squats specifically, as it's a foundational movement, attention to detail is crucial to avoid strain. If you're new to squats, consider starting with a fitness professional who can guide you through the movement and correct your form. So let's jump into how to perform a squat correctly. To do so, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes pointed slightly outward. Engage your core and keep your chest up as you lower yourself by bending your knees and hips. Imagine sitting back into an invisible chair, keeping your weight balanced over your heels. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as low as your flexibility allows while keeping your back straight. Push through your heels to return to the starting position, focusing on engaging your glutes and leg muscles as you rise. To wrap up, we've explored 15 powerful benefits of doing 100 squats a day. From muscular strength to mental toughness, this challenge offers a wide range of advantages that can improve your physical and mental health, helping you build a stronger and healthier body. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting, adding squats can be transformative. If you're new to this challenge, consider a ramp-up approach. Start by doing 20 squats a day in the first week, then gradually add 10 more each week until you reach 100. This gradual buildup will help your muscles adapt safely and prevent soreness or strain. For those who are already active and looking to enhance the challenge, consider adding variations to your daily squats. Try partner squats, jump squats, or add weights to engage your muscles differently and keep things exciting. So why not start today and see how 100 squats a day can transform your body and mind? Friends, tell us in the comments, do you currently do squats? How often? Share your experiences, it'll be interesting to know, and it might help others on their fitness journey. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this content, so you'll always get our new videos about health, fitness, sports, and quality of life. And show your support by liking the video and sharing it with your friends. We also recommend you check out our other videos. The links are here on the screen. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and thank you.